found it. I'm here at Nature's Camp and I'm so excited because I've been hearing so many great things about it. Actually, nandun pa yon. Diretso na ako doon. Kaya guys, start your engines. Ito na ang Stoplight TV! Go, go, chasing waterfalls.
And here's the latest motoring news. As part of its world tour through international museums worldwide, the world-renowned BMW Art Cars collection was recently put on display at the Ayala Museum in Makati. The unique exhibit featured various BMW cars designed by artists like Ken Dunn, Roy Lichtenstein, Frank Stella, and Andy Warhol. Ever since 1975, outstanding artists from all over the world have been designing the BMW automobiles of their era.
Well, the BMW Art Car is a collection, 15-car collection of both artworks and moving masterpieces that BMW has commissioned through the years. We have 4 of them in the Philippines today, with the cars of Andy Warhol, Roy Lichtenstein, Frank Stella, and Ken Dunn. Not very often do you see works of Andy Warhol exhibited here in the Philippines, and this car is priceless, and even the kind of care that was taken to ship it here is amazing. So it's a way of BMW's way of sharing its appreciation for, you know, the arts and the enjoyment of both the fascinating world of our vehicles and art as well.
Alamin ang pinaka-latest sa local motoring industry, only here on Stoplight TV.
Oh, it's a Burmese python. I love snakes. Okay pala dito, no? May mini zoo. So, may makikita ko mga birds, rabbits. Ayan, there's another snake over here. Like I said, I love snakes and they love me because I've never had any complaints. I wonder why. And if you can see over here, it's very amazing kasi my crocodile, my some kind of a lizard, and then my turtles, and it's amazing that they can coexist na hindi sila nagpapatayan. Ayan ako, ang shoes tumalikod. Ay, takot na ako. Okay, anyway, ito na po ang ating susunod na segment. This is the Auto Extreme Car Show in Cavite. Enjoy kayo ulit kasi parang gusto kong tumambay dito sa snake. Snakey, snakey, wakey, wakey.
An evening of flaming cars and a good party with bands and models ramping on stage were very much prominent at the 2007 Cavite Auto Extreme Car Show. It was a stellar of amazing cars, crowd, and music. It was a successful event, so successful that the people were bouncing, and even the cars were bouncing to the hottest R&B tunes. And of course, bike enthusiasts weren't left behind. Bright and attractive motorcycles were also put into display.
Let's go, party like this, okay. 50 in the house, I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Go shake that shit a little bit. You work that thing a little bit. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Let's party. Shake that ass, girl. Bounce with me in slow-mo. When they hear the kid in the house, they're like, oh no. 50 got them open again. They open again. Got them sipping on that juice and gin. You can find me in the background burning that backwood. Style and stunting, doing my two-step fronting. Now I'ma tell you what them told me, homie. Just leave with the run of discussions. Advise this is grown folk music. Now blend in with me. As I proceed to break it down, it's always off the chain, man. Party like this, okay. 50 in the house,
You're here at Orange County Grill. This is our 5th and the largest car show this year. But as you can see, we're preparing for another big event. So sana you continue supporting our event. As you can see, this is our new venue. Located Energetic Gasoline Station sa Dinya Road, Kawit Cavite. Would like to invite you and pagka susunod ng car show namin, sana magpunta kayo.
I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Good girl, turn the music up a little bit. Now swing now, shout it, let's get into it. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Good girl, turn the music up a little bit. Now swing now, homie, let's get into it.
Kaya sa lahat ng mga kabarkada nating mga Caviteños out there, watch out for a bigger and better Cavite Auto Extreme Car Show. Dito lang sa saksakan ng astig na motoring and motorsport show. Ito ang Romana Chadang Stoplight TV. Seatbelts save lives. A safety reminder from Stoplight TV.
Tayo sa wall climbing area dito sa Nature's Camp. And as you can see, if you look up, it's very tall, but they assure us that it's going to be very safe. And if you look closely up there, yan po si Noel, ang aming cameraman / stuntman. Hayaan mo, Noel. Kung may mangyari man, sana wala, sasabihin na lang namin sa kanilang lahat na mahal mo sila. Anyway, eto na, ating second leg Interbike Club Series sa Boomland. Kaya nyo yan, ha? Tingnan ko lang kung magaya nyo. You know who you are.
Squadrons of aspiring and talented bikers squarely competed at the second leg of the Sonic Boom Interbike Club Underbone Race Series, recently held at the Boomland Racetrack near Ross Boulevard in Manila. Participants cowboyed up in order to prepare for the rivals. Indeed, everyone went for a full throttle. This race event exploits good opportunities for future bike racers and to sharpen homegrown talents. Of course, the popularity for the love of motorcycles in the country is slowly growing, and thus, it delights everyone who has the passion for it.
Tell us about yung second leg ng event nyo.
Actually, yung second leg, successful naman siya. Yung mga tumakbo ng first leg, nakita pa rin namin sila rito. Tapos nandito rin yung mga ibang beginners na sumali ulit dito sa race.
Sir, you mentioned beginners. I think this is an important thing for the viewers. How do you differentiate your series from the other race series that is going on, and what can be the opportunities of new racers in your series?
Okay, kasi itong beginner race na to, malaking break to para sa mga beginners. Lalong-lalo na sa mga gusto talaga maging racer. Mga stepping stone nila to eh. Dito kasi medyo sinasala natin yung mga racer na talagang beginner sila para magkaroon naman sila ng chance na makalaro kasama nila beginners din.
Kailan ang next leg natin para doon sa mga nagbabalak sumali pa?
Kasi ganito yung next leg namin. Tentative pa yung date. Pero inform na lang namin kayo kagad through flyers saka internet kasi medyo hindi natin sinasabay sa ibang event para hindi naman tayo nakakasagasa ng ibang event para pare-parehas tayo tinatakbuhan ng mga racer. Saka para equal yung mga racer kasi magkakaroon na rin kami ng novice dito. Makatakbo sila doon sa ibang pakarera, makatakbo rin sila dito sa amin.
So hindi lang friendly race, pati sa organizing friendly rin tayo.
Laging friendly tayo.
So there you have it. So sa mga beginner racers, no, this is the series for you. Bago kayo sumali sa mga ibang series like the Nationals, the EBB, you can first have a crack here at the Sonic Boom Inter Club race series. So may understand, mura lang din sumali dito.
Very cheap. Ang entry fee rito is 500 only. Wala nga lang tayong cash prize kasi hindi naman natin i-implement ngayon yung mga ganon. Ang ano lang natin, race experience, competitive, para maano lang tayo, mabukas lang yung mundo natin sa karera. Friendly race talaga.
And more importantly, just to have fun on the race time. So there you have it. Thank you, sir. And good congratulations for your successful second event. And we look forward to seeing you again on the third leg.
Thank you very much, Len. Thank you, Stoplight TV.
A lot of bike enthusiasts participate and watch these races. So if you have time, set up your bikes and join the next round. Open naman sa lahat to, pare. Kaya go ka na! Sali na sa lahat ng klaseng underbone racing dahil pag sakali ka kumararatol, paniguradong may kalalagyan ka. Catch more exciting underbone racing action. Saan pa? Dito lang sa nangungunang two-wheel entertainment motoring and motorsports show. Para sa lahat ng mga Pinoy riders. Dude, pare, tol. You're watching Stoplight TV.
And here's the latest motoring news. Honda Cars in the Total Philippines recently combined its effort for the iVTEC Fuel Eco Run. Media participants met at the QC Circle and received some tips from driving professionals. Certainly, the least fuel consumption wins. Participants simply must have the patience to drive their day-to-day driving style and put less pressure on the gas pedal. The race kickoff point was from the Total gas station in Balintawak. Filling up of gas and other scrutineering were held here also. The group then headed straight to Angeles City and determined who consumed the least fuel. This only proves that Honda's technology leads in fuel efficiency.
First of all, I would like to thank Honda. Honda, matipid yung kanilang bagong develop na machine, makina. At the same time, mas matipid pala compared to other yung fuel consumption ko sa total dun sa dati kong fuel. Nagpapasalamat ako, mas compatible pala ang Honda sa mga total. So total na kami magkakarga. Thank you very much.
Know the latest in the local motoring industry. Dito lang sa Stoplight TV.
Stoplight TV is powered by Speed Metal Engine Decarbonizing.
Kasama ko po si Mrs. Jobel Lacerna, and she's going to tell us more about this particular feature here, this special feature here at Nature's Camp. Mrs. Lacerna, tell us more about this place.
This is the newest addition to Nature's Camp, only in the sense that it is appended to the camp, okay? And this is owned by one of the members of the family, the youngest brother. And it's really started with a basic hobby and interest in old cars, particularly pickups, yung mga Ford pickups. And then slowly you also got seriously into landscaping. And some of his clients would, in exchange for landscaping, part of the compensation anyway, or the payment, they would trade cars. Or have him fix cars and then sell them, and then he gets the proceeds in exchange for landscaping. That's how it started.
For those of you who are interested in like maybe purchasing one of their pickups or something, why don't you invite them over?
Okay, first, since we started with cars, those of you who have a growing or a strong interest in cars, or you want to do landscaping and you have a car to trade for, part of it, you come over to Nature's Camp. We're at number 43 Herrera Street, Brookside Hills, Gate 3, Cainta, Rizal. The camp, Nature's Camp, is really your halfway place. Halfway to Antipolo, halfway to Tanay if you want to go climbing. It's a mini resort. We have artificial rock climbing. We have a swimming pool. It's a great place. You're close to nature. You get real peace and quiet and friendly indifference from those of us who run the show. So come to Nature's Camp.
Thank you, Mrs. Lacerna. Anyway, guys, ito yung susunod nating segment, which is the Yamaha Automatic Touring Club. Watch out for that.
Ever tried traveling all around Luzon in a motorcycle? That would be quite an adventure. But the thing is, the Yamaha Automatic Touring Club had the right idea not only to promote safety riding, but also educate aspiring riders by touring major Luzon provinces. The endurance run started from the Mandaluyong office of the Northeast Trading Company and headed its way to the 5-day adventure. Despite the scorching heat of the sun and unpredictable road conditions, the Yamaha Nuvo and Mio proved its toughness. Parang Pinoy, di sumusuko. Umulan, umaraw, walang tigil-tigil. And it seems like there's no stopping these bikes once they hit the road, which is mighty impressive. Come to think of it, the Yamaha Automatic Touring Club traveled much of North Luzon, visiting Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, Cagayan, Ilocos Norte, and Ligan, only in motorcycles. The tagline of the group, "Makes motorcycle riding easy," seems to fit perfectly for these bikes.
Ito is malaking bagay namin dito is ang objective is yun nga ma-educate ang present at saka would-be Yamaha riders, no. Hindi lang Yamaha, pati yung mga ibang brand, no. Kasi dito nakikita nga yung ano ba yung mga uso, yung mga tamang riding gear sa sinabi ko kanina is ito is umaangat, lumalaki dito. Ito ang nagpapalaki ng mga pagsakay ng motorcycles, no? So nagiging practical, no? Number one is ang image ng Yamaha is umaangat. Second is ang company, the one selling it. Number three is ang value ng pagmumotor, no? Kasi makikita ninyo ilang taon na sumikat ang tricycles. So ito is binabago namin, ito part ng transition from tricycle to single rider. riding. No? Ito yung tinatawag naming solo riding. Ito na yon.
Joining the Yamaha Automatic Touring Club is Norcas Trading's latest offering in its four-wheel people's car lineup. The new MTT Spider Cab was also test-driven throughout Luzon, proving that you don't need an expensive vehicle to join you in these long rides. The cheap and effective multi-purpose MTT Spider Cab may be used in various ways depending on your needs. So kung interested kayo, just check out the Norcas Trading dealership nearest you.
Ito po, nilalans po namin right now ang MTT Spider. This is the hybrid model of multi-cab. Ito po yung bagong produkto ng Legacy First, ang tagapamahala, tagapamahagi ng Legacy Double Cab, Legacy Single Cab at Van, at ganoon din po yung privacy namin na Roadster. Right now, ang activity po namin ngayon we have an endurance run around 1,650 kilometers, and so far so good. Ang napakaganda mong performance at ito nababagay talaga sa ating region, lalo na dito sa Region 1 and Region 2. So napakaganda pong sasakyan, pang pamilya, pang business, at ito po, ang kagandahan po nito, around 20 to 22 kilometers per liter. So ayon po doon sa aming biyahe kanina, so you can feel the comfort, you can feel the economy of this wonderful four-wheel vehicle. Ito pong MTT Spider. So, napaka-smooth ang aming takbo, so napakaganda, napakatipid. So come and watch. At ito po ay available na sa Norcas branches at ganoon din po sa Legacy First branches. So magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.
Sundan ang mga adventures ng Yamaha Automatic Touring Club dito lang sa nangungunang two-wheel and four-wheel motoring and motorsports show. Pare, kahit anong gawin mo, mas astig ka pa din pag nasa Stoplight TV ka. And here's this week's Stoplight TV motoring calendar. If you have motoring activities like races, car, or bike shows, let us know by sending us a private message through text. On your cell phones, type PM space Stoplight space your name, contact number, and message. Send to 2948 for all networks.
And here's the latest news from the local motoring industry. Bosch was traveling the right path with their long-term strategy in both their international orientation and broad sectoral presence, as they recently stated during their annual press con held at Stuttgart, Germany, which was extended here in the Philippines. Bosch promises to continue on introducing more innovations that can improve the quality of life in the country. Together with other projects, Bosch in the Philippines advocates the clean and efficient use of energy in automobiles by providing the necessary technologies.
For us, for Robert Bosch, it is very important to point out that in the Philippines we are expecting a high growth potential for the years to come, which is basically based on our expansion in new distribution channels and the import of new technologies which are currently already available in Europe, Western Europe and the US.
Alamin ang pinaka-latest sa local motoring industry, only here on Stoplight TV.
Alam niyo guys, ang ganda-ganda talaga dito. I can't describe it. I mean, it's like a cross between a ranch, a resort, it's nature camp. There are animals here actually. And ganda ng pool. Ayun na, may tumambling na sa pool. Masaya talaga. It's very, very relaxing. Sana makabalik ako dito with my friends and my family. Yeah, it's really a family place if you see it. Ganda? Anyway guys, here's our next segment, which is the second hill climb dyan sa Subic. Enjoy kayo!
The second round of the 2007 Hill Climb Club of the Philippines Race Series was held at the steep and hilly roads of the Subic Freeport Zone. The track was much simpler and more novice driver friendly. It had less sharp turns and dangerous cliffs than the previous race. Nonetheless, it wasn't your usual Sunday drive, and every corner was simply breathtaking. The scenic view of Subic Bay could not cover the action that was happening on its mountain ranges. The cars were squealing, proving only that the uphill course was no joke. The sun illuminated everything, making the race and the scenery a perfect view. Competing against the clock, overall champion from the previous race, Carlos Anton of Baguio City, demonstrated once again how to breeze on the uphill course with minimal pressure, winning the race overall one more time.
How do you feel winning the second leg?
Well, it feels great because we also won the first leg, so to be king of the hill again. And we have one more leg to go. Hopefully we can place well there, and really like to win this championship, especially for Baguio City, where I come from, and it's all hills there, so that's why I really feel this should belong to us.
Winning second overall, medyo masaya kasi Carlos Anton is best time so next to Carlos Mina, so okay. First leg I was second overall also, next to Carlos again, then ngayon ganun din, same position, even dun sa class winner, first ako before, then ngayon first also.
Well, the organizers did a pretty good job in putting the race together. It's a good weekend. I'm pretty happy. It's all about just having fun and having a great time. That's about it. Well, the first leg, I did okay. It was actually my first race in this kind of rally, so it was pretty good actually. I did also finish first, and then the second leg, I also did finish first, despite I had spinned out on my second heat, but I was able to recover and finish the heat.
Well, today we had a different venue. The pace was much faster because the gradients were not as great as in the first leg. The cars were averaging around 120 to 130 kilometers per hour on the 3-kilometer course, so that was very impressive. And the competitors were also really very aggressive today, and we had most of them improving their times on their second heat, so that was very nice today. And we'd like to invite those who want to try the sport, don't be afraid, come over, join our briefing and scrutineering, and then get into the race.
The 2007 Hill Climb Club of the Philippines Race Series is sponsored by Petron Extra Unleaded, go for the extra miles, the Manila Speed Zone, and supported by Citgo Philippines, Speed Lab, Subic Safari, and shown exclusively here on Stoplight TV.
I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. For those of you who want to catch our replays, you can do so at www.stoplight.tv. For those of you who want to email us, you can do so at info@stoplight.tv. And kung gusto nyo naman kami i-text, it's at 29484 for all networks. And before I go, I'd just like to say hi to a very special friend who lives in Astoria, New York. Hello. Guys, see you at the next Stoplight.
Nakakabaliw, nakakaloko, hanep kang gumalaw, galing-galing mo talagang sumayaw.